There are industries where steel corrodes, where concrete fails, where conventional materials simply don't last. Plastimarmol FRP was founded in Hermosillo, Sonora in 1983. For more than 4 decades, we have designed, manufactured, and installed fiberglass reinforced plastic solutions for the most demanding industrial operations across Mexico and North America. Our facility operates 4 specialized product lines: tanks and vessels for corrosive media, process piping and ducting, gratings and structural profiles, and custom-engineered structures, including scrubbers, hoppers, and turnkey projects. Every component is built to order by filament winding or contact molding, meeting ASTM D3299, ASTM D4097, and the exact engineering requirements of each client. We work with vinyl ester resins, isophthalic polyester, and dual laminate systems with fluoropolymer liners, PVDF, ECTFE, FERP, for the most aggressive applications where chemical corrosion meets high temperatures. The chemical resistance of every laminate is validated to ASTM C581 before it leaves our plant. We are nearly 200 specialists dedicated to industrial FRP, with more than 2,600 completed projects throughout our history. We operate under ISO 9001:2015 certification with documented traceability at every stage, from resin selection to final inspection. Our products are in service at mining sites, chemical plants, and water treatment facilities across Mexico and the United States, handling sulfuric acid, leach solutions, electrolytes, and abrasive media. Large-scale projects in critical environments still operating decades after installation. Plastimarmol FRP, more than 40 years engineering custom corrosion-resistant solutions for industries that cannot afford to fail.